ready? Ready to do it? The Godfather. Okay. What's going down, San Fran?
Check. Yo, we bringing to the stage a legend, Latin hip-hop legend, the one that originated it all. The Godfather of Latin hip-hop, the only Latino in the Hall of Fame. Right
Make some noise.
ECE. Make some noise for the one and only Godfather, Mellow, man, Ace. Where you at, doggy dog?
Oh, yeah.
Check. Wow.
How y'all doing out here?
Yeah. Make some noise. Come on. Come on. Put your hands up. Real hands up. Put your hands up. Feel it. My brother. Like I said, Godfather of Latin hip-hop is in the building. Yeah. The one and only. The one that brought you Cypress Hill. The one that brought you House of Pain. The one that gave you Mexinosa. Make some noise for Mellow Man Ace. Yeah. Hip-hop is in the building. Yeah. Do that shit, do it. Do that shit, do it. Good right there. Come on. Ladies and gentlemen, the DJ. Mellow Man Ace is DJ. The one, the only. Rocky, Raccoon. Fuck it up. Put your hands together. Put your hands together. Feel the groove. Feel the energy. Our famous anime crews in the building. Let's do it. Do that shit. Do that shit. Hip-hop. When I say hip-hop, you say what love. Hip-hop. Yeah, make some noise. Hurry up. Is you in the real hip-hop, kid? Hold up. I'm gonna talk to everybody here today. You know why? Because I look black. For those that don't know me, I'm Cuban. Cubano, coño, make some noise if you're in the building. Yeah. In 1988, I wrote the very first Spanish rap in hip-hop history. First one. Very first. Some cats wake up today with my formula, take advantage of it. They owe me a royalty check. Bring that beat. Make sure I'll take you back. The Godfather, check it out. And say hey. Come on, everybody say ho. Come on, and everybody say hey. Come on, and everybody say ho. Come on, stop it. Cuando soy el mejor y eso es lo que creo. El apellido del rey. No somos magos, no podemos ser los malos. Me gusta hablar, me gusta jugar, me gusta hangar y ahora sí que duda, y esto tú lo sabes, yo soy el mejor. Yo me apuesto, controlando el micrófono en español y que te va a mañana y no estoy ahí. Esto es conciertamente, pero si tienes hambre, no me preguntando. Mira que aprieta por más de un baño. Y yo lo que digo es de corazón. Nadie me gana porque soy el más chingón. Come on, nobody makes a motherfucking noise. Come on, everybody make some motherfucking noise.
One, two.
X4, nigga!
Nadie me gana porque soy el más pingón.
Northside!
Word. Enough respect, Northside. Enough respect. Now, all me Latinos, ¿dónde tú estás? All Latino, where you at? All my Latinos at, all my black folks, big up Tiger Woods.
That's
Did it
what's up.
today? No doubt.
No doubt.
I want to thank Streetlow Magazine and Gilbert Chavez bringing me out. My DJ Rocky Raccoon. Word up. What we got next, man? What we doing? I'm gonna do something new off the new album called Restoring Order. Check this shit out right here.
Put all MCs on check.
Let me tell you, I'm like running things.
Tell them, dog.
Tell them most, man, being the host.
Tell them, dog. Oh, hit him. Understand, never be my friend, I'm gonna shake my hand. I'm from a school where the crowd come differently. I'm respect the nigga. That's rapping, if I go to the rock, I get this rapping. But this track got a nigga wide open. I'll show you how to go. Respect is culture, dude. Stay away from like sharks and fools. Register your works through ASCAP. Mellow man ace, a man who carries an entire race. If you lucky in longevity, classic make focus here. Mellow man ace, my español so make me so famoso. Say mellow. Yeah, mellow man ace, come on. Put your hands up, everybody in the building, put your hands up. Like this no more, they not fucking slow for no more. My style switch like chameleons. From so famoso, up in the so-so, nigga that's no. My hospital spit niggas out like Popo. I like a in the photo. Niggas right on the promo. She get them over with the kitchen dance solo. Oh, no, not me, my dude. I still ain't the on the right back. My back suit, get the head from that. Like Badu. Do you know? Oh God, Father. Awesome. Yeah, thank you. Man, days. My español so make me so famoso. Mellow. Say, fuck right, make some noise. Yeah. Domestic and foreign on a overseas call. My man Rocky Raccoon, 301. He's back, I love you. Turn on me and as it for your artist. Come on, be real. Look at what you're up against. The murderers. Everybody this. No, it should be a breath of fresh air to this entire industry. But y'all hopes like Catholics hopeless. We are focused on the will and focus. Say that no more. If the public's here, I ain't coming home no more. In between the lines, don't we know, nigga. I'm behind it. 20 years in it, nigga. Oh man, thanks. My español so make me so famoso. Put your hands up. Yeah.
Somebody make some noise for my daughter in the building right now, man. She is 9 years old and got you clapping. Nice.
That's what's up.
I want you to give yourself a round of applause right now. Give it up for you guys.
Yeah.
Because right now we're in legendary Candlestick Park. And I know how special this place is. Joe Montana, Roger Craig. I know what it is. But I got nothing but love for San Francisco, and that's just what it is.
One love.
Y'all too sorry. The whole yay, Salinas, everybody, San Ho. Y'all too sorry.
Oaktown.
We're gonna keep it moving. Fuck all this dead time shit. Let's go here.
Yo, we got everybody knows a rapper, Mellow. Everybody knows somebody.